Welcome back. My name is Teresa and I'm very much
ham.
I have an awful garbage filthy mouth where sometimes, just sometimes, I tend to use the word fuck as a comma. If you're not into that or weird stuff in general, this is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to X out the video here. No harm, no foul. But I'll remember our time fondly. We have an Ipsy unboxing. I cannot wait to get disappointed. Because this month is just really disappointing. So let's get disappointed together, okay? Grab yourself a hot cocoa. It's July, but in Australia it's winter, so fine. Grab a hot cocoa or a nice iced tea and let's just get straight up disappointed. If you have never heard of the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus before, I am sorry that I'm about to bestow upon you one of the worst subscription services known to man. Sometimes they're really awesome, but not this month. This month they're not so great. But anyway, let me tell you a little bit about her.
Glam Bag Plus retails for $25. All the faves you love, full size. Glam Bag Plus delivers you 5 personalized, full-size beauty products worth over $120 in a themed drawstring bag. Whether you're trying the best and the busiest brands or restocking your supply, there's always so much to love because you get to pick 3 of the 5 products each month.
All right, let's open this disappointment. Ooh, you know what's not disappointing? This bag. This bag could fucking get it. I like this. All right, okay. So far, so good. The reason why I keep saying it's bad is because Ipsy allows you to pick 3 out of the 5 items. Everything was terrible. Terrible. Like all the choices, there wasn't anything that looked remotely good. So I pick the best out of the worst, but I know deep down these are probably not even that good. I feel like in ways July is just a throwaway month, which is really sad because I feel like it could have been really good, but I digress. Anyway, let's open this bitch up. Okay, so you know what? Maybe it's not so bad after all. Maybe I judged it prematurely because at the time when I was looking for stuff, I wasn't really that in love with any of the products. So with that said, this month is Stay Golden. What the fuck is this? This month, everything you touch is turning to gold. All right. Dust on your favorite highlight, pat on a shimmer shadow, and let the world see you shine. Who the fuck writes this? Oh, this month we're talking about bronzing. So we have some bronzing 101. Find the hue for you. Okay. Bronzer is for everyone. The verbiage in this pamphlet is just, you know, it's not great. Okay, so choosing a formula, apply it like a pro, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, let's move on. Let's start with the first thing here. This is from Juice Beauty, and this is actually an SPF 30 Oil Free Moisturizer. This retails for $30, and this is a full size. If you apply one product in the morning, make it a multitasking moisturizer. It uses organic aloe leaf juice, pomegranate extract, and sea algae to hydrate, soothe, and repair skin. Plus SPF 30 to shield from harmful UV rays too. I have tried stuff from Juice Beauty time and time again, and I feel like it's primarily due to BoxyCharm. Yeah, I would say BoxyCharm actually. I get a lot of Juice Beauty shit, or I used to anyways. I don't subscribe to them anymore. Although if you do want to see me unbox BoxyCharm, put down number 3 down below. I pay for Ipsy, so if you want me to get disappointed with BoxyCharm, let me know. That said, I feel like I've tried their moisturizers and serums in the past, and honestly, it didn't really do anything for my skin. There was nothing to write home about, and there were products that I slowly just kind of, you know, gave away. That said, I don't think I'm gonna use this, but I am seeing my darling best friend who is on the hunt for motherfucking SPF, and for one that is not clogging his little baby pores. So I think I'm actually gonna hold on to this and give this to him. So Michael, if you're watching, here you go, baby. This is your present. I'm gonna give this to him because I feel like he might have a better use out of it, so. All right, I will update you if Michael likes it, if he gives it 2 thumbs up or 2 thumbs way the fuck down. The next product is from Kors, and this is the Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser. So this retails for $26. This is a full size. This gentle cream to foam cleanser removes face makeup, yes, even the waterproof kind, dirt and excess oil, plus helps reduce redness, all without stripping your skin of moisture. The star ingredient, Greek yogurt. That's rich, nourishing prebiotics and probiotics and essential vitamin and minerals. Again, this is another one that I feel like it just kind of runs the circuit of subscription boxes. I feel like I have tried this like so many times and it's not bad. It's a fine product, but not enough for me to ever buy a full one. This is the equivalent to the Smashbox primer. It's fucking everywhere, okay? It's everywhere. You're never gonna have to buy a full size of this. I'm actually surprised to see this in a full size because I've received so many goddamn small samples of this. I don't ever need to get this. That said, it was okay. It wasn't remarkable. There wasn't anything like life-changing about it. I didn't feel like it performed the best of the best of the best with honors in terms of cleanser. So this is another product that I'm gonna pawn off to my best friend. He's always looking for a cleanser. Maybe it might suit his skin better than it will mine, but yeah, I don't know, like, it's okay, but I don't know, like these are kind of just very lackluster products. I don't know. With that said, those are the two products that were like, ooh, these are the surprises of the box. So the next three products are things that I picked, and fortunately these were the best of the best in my opinion, and I'm actually not even fucking sold on them. What the fuck? Oh, bitch, we gotta try this. Okay. I think I hit the motherfucking jackpot. All right, this is Symbiosis Skincare. This is the hyaluronic acid plus RNA depuffing and dark circles relief eye serum. This motherfucker right here retails for $127. $127 for that. What, bitch? Are you kidding me right now?
Are you kidding me?
Are you kidding me right now? Oh my goodness. Okay. So this is an eye serum, duh, no shit, packed with powerful hydrators and anti-aging ingredients like hyaluronic acid, RNA, and collagen. This potent eye serum penetrates deep into the skin to visibly plump, firm, and smooth your eye area. I am very, very intrigued to try this. Maybe, I don't know. I'm a little bit on the fence about this because I was just reading in the comments that apparently this is $20 on Walmart. So this could very much be like everything I've ever found in a DSW. If you've never been to a DSW, it's pretty much just like, I think it's called Designer Shoe Warehouse. Is that the fucking acronym? Hold on, I gotta Google this first because that's way more important than Ipsy.
2,000 years later.
Oh yeah, Designer Shoe Warehouse, okay. Sorry, that took way too long. I was like, oh, I feel so proud of myself. Look at me. So what was my point? Oh yeah, anytime I go into DSW and I'm like buying something by the register, same thing I guess like a Marshall's or TJ Maxx does this too. They'll have like a bunch of like little things that you can pick up, purchase, whatever, right? It could be like stupid little knick-knacky bullshit things. The markup on it is fucking astronomical because it can be like a fucking keychain. Normally this is priced at $89, but you can get it for $9. And I'm like, a fucking keychain? A keychain. Okay, cool. Yeah, sure. No problem. That's what this could potentially be. So I think I might just give this to my best friend. I might as well call this the box I give to my best friend. Maybe he might like this. I'm very particular with my skincare anyway. I don't like to switch up a lot of new things. So I'm kind of very happy with the few products that I do use for my eyes. So yeah, I'm probably gonna pass this off to my friend. Michael, you're getting so many gifts. So this is from a brand called Ariza. I'm assuming it's called Ariza Beauty. And this is an ombre blush. This retails, shut the fuck up. This retails $28. Okay, so this is an ombre blush. This, oh, okay. I don't understand how this retails for $28. I really don't get it. It's very beautiful though. Like it's very, very pretty. Lightweight, silky smooth, and made with all natural mineral pigments, this powder blush is a dream for anyone that loves high performance makeup and clean green formulas. This reminds me of, hold on, I'll show you. This kind of reminds me of this Essence blush that I have. It's kind of a very similar situation over here. This is, I believe, $3, and the packaging is far nicer than this thing. This reminds me of a fucking VHS cassette tape. Like I'm in Blockbuster, like what the fuck? Okay. All right, that just, okay. I ate a little bit of that, but let's see. Okay. I mean, she's peach. I mean, okay. I mean, I'm not mad at it. See, there's a lot of kick up actually. There's my little one from Essence. I mean, you know what? It's really, it's not terrible. There is some powderiness to it. Let's give this motherfucker a whirl. Let's see how it is. I mean, the color is really pretty, but at the end of the day, it just really all depends on how it wears. So if this lasts more than 3 hours, I'm thoroughly impressed. I think for $28, I was just expecting a little bit more in terms of like packaging. This is just very, It doesn't feel like $28. You know what I mean? Like it just doesn't feel like $28. Last but not least, we have this Bronzy AF palette. So Bronzy as fuck palette from Basic Beauty. This retails for $30. Are you fucking kidding me? How is this $28 then? Okay, whatever. Actually, I've never heard of this brand or this brand before, so if you have, let me know in the comments down below. 3 little shades here. This is a full size. This trio of highly pigmented bronzing powders glide on effortlessly without streaking or caking, so you can get a sun-kissed glow minus the harmful UV damage. The powders don't feel so bad. The powders kind of feel really nice. You know, kind of like the blush, I definitely have to see how this performs on the face, but I don't know, I guess I just wanted to be more wowed. I don't know, like I'm sorry, again, I really can't get over that this is fucking $28 and you don't even get a goddamn mirror with it. Like, are you fucking kidding me? All right, I'm sorry, I'm like, that's to me is very frustrating, the markup on prices. We got all this shit, things I'm not super excited about. That's the gamble that comes with subscription boxes. I think the best thing out of the whole box was the bag. Bag is fucking killer. Everything else, 3 of the things I'm giving to my best friend, and these 2 we're gonna just try for science, just to see if it works. But I mean the powders, they feel all right. Like, at least they're fucking pigmented, so that's nice, right? But true test is putting it on my motherfucking face. So let's put it on my motherfucking face. So yeah, yeah, I feel like this month was a big old mess, but there's always next month. With that said, let me know down below if you do get Ipsy, because I'm curious to know if you picked this or what bullshit you picked. I'm always very curious to know. So yeah, sound off down below. And with that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button, it's free, and hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon, to all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies. Thank you so much for keeping this delicious, disgusting, filthy, trashy, really gross, really filthy garbage boat afloat. I couldn't do without you, and I love your adorable little delicious faces. Cannot wait to eat you all up. You are so precious. If you want to know what is currently on my nails and bloopity blop blop, everything will be listed in the description box below. And I'll see you little crab cakes later. Bye. You like that? I do too.